dropping Max off back to my mom. We met halfway. And she had a story.
I have the most amazing story you guys are ever gonna hear.
Okay.
Okay, so I park, as you know, I park on the street in my neighborhood. I'm a couple blocks from my apartment.
So this is what happens. I go to leave my apartment, right? Can't find my car key anywhere. I'm like, what? I don't have it attached to my apartment keys because I never use my apartment keys. So I have the key, and then it's got the little beep beep thing on it. So it's like bulky, so I shouldn't lose it. I lost it. Thank God, Bob, in my junk drawer, I had an individual key laying around. Right? Right? Because honestly, I'm terrified. I get nervous. I'm like, oh, what am I gonna do? So I take my little single key. I'm like, thank you, Jesus, for giving me the single key. And I'm like, I gotta go to the hardware store because if you go to the hardware, they can make me a copy. Yes. Wow. Listen to this. Now you have to put your camera out this way. I get to my car, and on the driver's side, want to see right now? Oh, let me turn it around. So somebody was kind enough. They found my keys.
They placed my key like that for me.
Stop it.
I got to my car, and this was in a 24-hour, even longer than 24, because I park my car and leave it there for days. Somebody was kind enough to put it on there, and in addition to that, everyone who walked by didn't take the keys to be a bitch or steal my car.
Oh my God.
Do you know how blessed I am?
That is godsend.
That is honestly, I was like, my heart was just bursting with joy.
That is amazing.
Yes, yay for humanity.
That's the nice story of the day.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, good morning. So I am about to get into my workout. It's actually a little bit later now. It's 10:30. This morning I've just been doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing. I even mopped with some Fabuloso, my favorite. I'm gonna go do some Peloton, and I'm wearing this set that I showed in my last Fabletics vlog. It's so pretty. This is your daily reminder that you're beautiful, babe. I also have switched up my office quite a bit after the holidays, just for some fresh energy in here. So I can give you guys a little tour of that after I clean it. But it's funny because my office was actually just like a plethora of old furniture that we had. Like I had that couch in here that was originally for the mudroom, and it always just felt like it took up a lot of space in here, and I need in here to film for you guys. And then my desk was huge. It was actually Yarman's old desk, if you guys remember that vlog. So that was taking up a lot of space. I just wanted to like downsize so I'd have a lot of room for filming, and just like, it just felt very like cluttered in here. So I'll give you guys just like a little tour of that later. And that's about all I got for updates right now. Let's go do some cycling. All right, I just did a 30-minute Peloton ride, and now I'm gonna do some strength training on Apple Fitness.
Fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, holy shit, oh fucker, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, bullshit, son of a bitch, what the hell? Oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit, holy shit, oh holy shit, bullshit, goddamn motherfucker, oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking shit, son of a motherfucking bitch, oh shit, ba-da-die, wow, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, holy shit, oh fucker, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, son of a bitch, what the hell? Oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit, holy shit, oh holy shit, bullshit, goddamn motherfucker, oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking fucking shit. Son of a motherfucking bitch. Oh shit. Oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit. Holy shit. Oh holy shit, bullshit. Goddamn motherfucker. Oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking shit. Son of a motherfucking bitch. Oh shit. Son of a motherfucking bitch. Oh shit. Ba-da-die, ba-da-die, wow. Fucking bullshit, goddamn bullshit, fucking piece of shit. Oh yeah, do, fuck. Ba-da-die, ba-da-die, wow. Bye, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit. Holy shit, oh fucker. Fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit. Bullshit, son of a bitch, what the hell? Oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit, holy shit, oh holy shit, bullshit, goddamn motherfucker, oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking shit, son of a motherfucking bitch, oh shit, ba-da-die, wow, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, holy shit, oh fucker, fucking bullshit, fucking bullshit, son of a bitch, what the hell? Oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit, holy shit, oh holy shit, bullshit, goddamn motherfucker, oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking shit, son of a motherfucking bitch, oh shit, oh motherfucker, goddamn bullshit, holy shit, oh holy shit, bullshit, goddamn motherfucker, oh fucking bastard, goddamn fucking shit, son of a motherfucking bitch, oh shit, son of a motherfucking bitch, oh shit. Ba-da-die, ba-da-die, wow. Fucking bullshit, goddamn bullshit, fucking piece of shit. Oh yeah, do, fuck.
Alright, workout check. I'm very red. I'm having some protein right now. This is new to me, being a protein drinker. I mean, I did like Premier Protein, but this tastes even better than that. I mentioned this brand over on my second Instagram. I have an Instagram where I'm sharing like my health journey, and just like plus size fitness and WW hacks and stuff. But I just shared this over there. And I love this freaking protein powder. I also had actually shared it in my favorites video of 2020. So my husband's like big into fitness and he drinks protein, see, I don't even know what to call it. He drinks a protein, he just drinks protein after he works out. I don't know. I tried it because he tried this new brand from like this YouTuber he watches. And he was like, oh my God, like, because he knows I don't like protein because it tastes so chalky. Ugh, like, I don't normally like the taste of protein. But he knew that and he had me taste it. He's like, this actually tastes really good. And so the first one he had tried was just like a fudge chocolate one. And it tastes like chocolate milk, just mixed with water. So we loved it so much, we bought another flavor and we got the Nutter Butter one. It tastes so good. There's like the smallest hint of protein, like the smallest I've ever tasted. You can hardly taste it. So I've tried it both with like ice and a little bit of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and it tastes like a milkshake. Just now I just had it with some ice water shaken up and it's so good. It has 3 points per scoop and it's actually delicious. So if you have a hard time finding a protein powder that doesn't taste like ass, like I do,
back down on trash. Tell all of your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad that I'm such a star.
Okay guys, it's later. I literally haven't even showered yet. It's been a couple hours. I'm actually gonna whip up some lunch right now. I'm gonna make us some HelloFresh for lunch. And I'm making something that we have actually never had from HelloFresh, and in fact, something I've never cooked at all. And it's something that Yarmin really likes, so I'm kind of excited to learn a little bit how to make it, what it's like. So I'm making shepherd's pie. I mean, that just looks really, really good. Yes. And it also gives me like major winter cozy food vibes. So it is pub style. Sorry, the laundry. I feel like every time I vlog, Yar's doing laundry. Pub style shepherd's pie with white cheddar and thyme mashed potatoes. What? That sounds so good. So I just got my prep work done. If you guys know, sorry, I just got this a little wet. But if you guys know about HelloFresh, if you don't, it's my favorite meal kit delivery service. The recipes every single time are delicious. I have been cooking their meals for years. I got my mom on board. She buys it. My grandma, I just got her a gift card. She loves it. Isbomb. Isbomb.com. So on the back here, we have step-by-step instructions. They even have little pictures so you can see what you're doing. So I like to get everything prepped first, as it recommends here. Got everything prepped. I have all my ingredients set aside. I have the oven broiling on high as the directions say. Got our ground beef. Let's see what's next. Actually, I gotta finish prepping. Do the thyme leaves, roughly chop them, and then we're gonna make the mashed potatoes. So as I said, each meal only takes around 30 minutes to make, and they also have quick and easy options for 20 minutes. So like I said, it just takes out all the work with planning dinners, and these meals are chef curated. As I said, they're so yummy, and with each meal taking around only 30 minutes to make, they also have quick and easy options where each meal will take just around 20 minutes. And let's be honest, most of us are just stuck at home, and you might have a whole family to feed. And it's never been easier to feed the family. They now have larger box sizes with larger servings and even larger savings. And what I love about this too is, like, my produce, like when I get produce at the grocery store, it can go bad kind of quickly, but HelloFresh gets to you like even quicker than the grocery store. So the produce that comes in each bag is always fresh. Like, as I said, I have been doing HelloFresh for years, and everything's always just like fresh and perfect. And I love that I am wasting less food, because let's keep it real, I don't need a whole jar of tomato paste. So I love that they give me just what I need. They even gave me 1 tablespoon of flour. That's so cool. I've never had beef stock on my own before either. So it's fabulous. And I will say, I have put a lot of you guys onto HelloFresh. So if you've been thinking about trying it, it's a new year, time for fun new things. So if you guys want to try HelloFresh, I got a deal for you. So you guys can go to HelloFresh.com and use my code 10FEARLESS to get 10 free meals plus free shipping. And I'll throw a link down below to make it easy as well. While our potatoes are cooking, before we have to mash them, ooh, with sour cream, butter, chopped thyme, these are gonna be good mashed potatoes. So now we're gonna start the filling, and we're gonna cook up, looks like we're gonna cook up those veggies. Get them ready for the filling. God, this looks so good. All right, let's get these veggies going. know I have to do the approval test with Yar every time we make it. It looks really good.
I like me some shepherd's
And
pie.
I've never made it for you. I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's really hot. I swear to God, he's not flexing. Oh, they'll never believe it. He loves HelloFresh. Every time.
Sister.
Remember? Da Flava. That's our new. If you saw the last vlog with HelloFresh. Da Flava. Winter meal. Don't forget 10 free meals, code 10fearless, and free shipping.
Worth